How to add a verification badge on LinkedIn. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So before we get started, there are two types of LinkedIn verification: identity verification and workplace verification. Identity verification is the one that gives you the badge next to your name, and workplace verification confirms you actually work where you claim but no public badge. So let's get started by opening any browser in your PC, and once you open the browser, you want to go ahead and simply search for linkedin.com and then log in to your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the me icon, then tap on view profile. Just like so, inside here, simply tap on add a verification badge, and just like so, a QR will pop up. Scan it with your phone and this will launch a secure browser via Clear. Also, align your face in the center of the screen. The system scans, confirms your ID, and just like that, within minutes, the blue verification badge appears right next to your name. It's subtle but powerful. You'll instantly look more credible to clients and prospects. And that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.